So we will create mockups right here. We'll try 2 to 3 different mockups. To create a mockup, what we'll do is we'll go to Freepik and select some files. So mockups are basically visualization. Let's say I've created some labels or I've created a logo and I want to check how it will look on t-shirt or a coffee mug when I print out there before printing. So I want to check and visualize how it will look. So that's for what you create mockups. Go to Freepik, search for mockups. It could be a hoarding, it could be a visiting card, it could be shop design, t-shirt, anything. And from here you can download these mockups file. Put the filter PSD, which would be a Photoshop document, and free. As foremost, right now we are searching for free files out there on freepik.com. So here are the mockups. Maybe I want whatever I want to visualize, I can. So let's try to visualize first on a mask. That, let's say if I have a logo and I want to check how it will look when I get them printed on mask. So this is a visualization. So we'll download this file. So since I already have downloaded this file, I'll just open that file. It has a PSD file, which is a Photoshop document. Double click on it and it will open in Photoshop. So since they have this font here, that's why it's showing missing fonts. Right now we don't want to resolve them. So if you see, here is the logo and we want to replace it with our logo. Go to logo design, double click. It opens a new file which is .psb. Here where you have to replace your logo. So I've just removed all of these elements and I'll put my logo out here. And I'll just increase the size. And I'll just change the color to white as of now. I've just double clicked and changed the color to white. Now I'll put Command S or Control S on Windows. When this file saves and you come to your original file, you can see that it's right here on the mask. You see your logo out here. That's what the mockup is, that you can visualize how it will look before. Let's try another file so we get the concept of mockups clearly. I also checked for another file. Okay, so we can try one on Billboard. Go to download, free download. So we'll try and put a poster out here. Since I've reached the limit, I'll quickly log in. There would be a number of files you can download in a day. So if this prompts up, kindly log in and possibly you'll be able to download that file. So here I'm able to download that file. So we'll try and put some poster here. So that's how you can even put hoardings or any shop front, wherever you want to visualize. It could be a different thing. Maybe if you have paintings, you want to visualize that how will it look on frames. So you can come and create this 3D here. Also, you can search on Google mockups as well. On Freepik for sure you can, and even on Google you can search and you can find different websites where you can find more mockups. We'll try and do one more out here of this billboard. On Mac, if you just single click, the file extracts, and on Windows you'll have to double click and right click and then extract the file. Here's the PSD file. We double click on this. So here I have this. Now this is saying, so this is the edition. Open this, open the poster. So it's saying place your design here. Double click on this. Here you have to put your design. Now again you see it has open.psb file. So we have to put our design here. Let's say file, place. I'll put up my poster here. Let's say I'll just put up an ad here. Maybe I'll just put I'll just put this ad. I'm just keeping it big enough so it's here. So I'll just, now once I've put it here, what I'll do is Control S on Windows and Command S on Mac. You see it was saved. So this is saved, you see here. And now let's go to our original template and you can see how it looks. So it has now given a 3D visualization to it. It's a, if you see, it's in dimension different and you can check that, okay, how it'll look if I put it on any other pole or maybe hoarding, etc. And then you can save this file when you want to give the visualization to your client or anyone. You can save this, let's say mockup PSD. You can save a PSD, and alternatively you can save PSD for you to change, and you should save one as JPEG. So it's still in saving, that's why I was not able to save. And one you would save it JPEG mockup specification mockup. So I'll just save it on desktop and the quality 12. Here you go. You can see the mockup nicely. That's how you create mockups.